Anong ulam natin?
What we need to do is, kasi yung Korean fried chicken ang gagawin natin. So, kailangan may some sort of a breading para ma-crunchy.
Yes.
Yeah. So, that's why we have here some potato starch. Ito yung namang the reason why the thing gets very nice and crunchy. And a little bit of all-purpose fat.
Okay.
Okay, so,
Why potato starch?
ito, walang gluten. So, mean to say, it won't get soggy.
Okay.
So, talagang maging crunchy na talaga.
Okay.
So, most of it should be potato starch. If walang potato starch, pwede mo gamitin ng cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
Pwede yan.
Okay.
Pero ito,
Pero mag-iiba syempre ang consistency nun.
hindi naman, okay naman. Pero ito, more crunchy talaga. Yung potato starch is known
Okay.
for being nice and crunchy. So, that's what we put next. Okay.
Is there a proper amount? Just as
let's
long as
say,
it gets coated.
Yeah, it should
Okay.
coated very well.
Okay.
So, between these two, may ratio naman siya. If let's say if you put 3 spoons of this, ito maximum 1 spoon lang.
1 spoon lang.
Not
Okay.
even half.
Right.
Kasi we want the texture to be nice and crunchy. So, I put 3 spoons. Ito, lagyan natin isa.
Can I start mixing
Yes,
it?
mix it. Dapat well coated talaga. So,
Yeah.
if kulang, add na lang natin konti pa.
Kami, ang ginagawa namin sa food truck, since limited lang ang equipment namin, nagdadala
Yan
na kami ng
kakonting-
isang garapon na ganun. At doon na kami nag-mix.
Baking soda. Okay, para it will, when it fries, it will become nice and crunchy.
Okay.
Konti lang, like a pinch. That's all it needs. Ngayon, actually okay na siya to fry eh. Pero if you want it to be more batter coated,
Yeah.
konti pang batter, pwede natin namang lagyan ng isang itlog.
Okay.
Okay, so it goes 1 egg.
Sana hindi niya anak yung itlog na nandito.
Tama.
Ano yun?
Sana hindi
niya
anok nung
anak
manok
yung-
yung itlog na hinalo natin sa kanya.
Oo,
Hindi
nga
naman,
naman.
no? Family reunion.
Hindi naman.
Anyway, they're
ano?
sacrificing for our hunger, so
Yeah,
okay
okay,
naman siya. It's
okay.
not going to the waste naman.
Kaya
Sana malalim pala to.
Kaya nga, no, oo nga eh.
Kaya nakakainis
Napaisip
pag
din ako
hindi
dun, ah.
sinisimot eh,
Wait,
di ba?
napaisip din ako dun. Oo
Di
nga.
ba?
Pwede niyang pamangkin o gano'n. Diba?
Family reunion.
Nung manok yung itlog.
Well, family reunion for a cause naman. Hindi naman ng ano.
Kaya dapat simot na simot kainin
Oo
yun.
naman,
Hindi yung may
masasaya.
tira-tira eh.
Siyempre.
Mamaya.
Dapat, ano yun? You should eat all the way to the bones na nga.
Yeah.
Walang tapon. Ayun, yun. Ganyan ang gusto natin. May dikit-dikit na yung flour
Oo,
dyan.
flour.
So, that's
Diba?
what it will become nice and crunchy. Eh.
Yep.
We can just keep on adding a little by little.
Up until it gets coated.
Coated,
So, sa ilalim,
yes.
meron pa yun. Look at that. Diba?
Itlog.
Maluyo-luyo naman ang ano. Mga...
Actually, mas okay pala tong ganito ah. Kasi ang ginagawa namin, syempre may batter ka dyan. Dip, yan. Pwede palang sama-sama na lahat.
Hindi, mga bahay lang tayo eh. So,
Oo nga.
okay na yun. Kaya hindi yung pango breadcrumbs eh. Yung ano, flour lang.
Oo, tama.
Yung tatlong style, yung panko.
Panko, okay.
Okay, so now that is getting ready, I need to heat up the oil. Okay?